Okay, now to the real women on wheels. These two are the women on wheels. Tell me your name and about this group.
Lorinda Ramonda, it's a national, well, actually international organization that's been around over 40 years. Our particular, it's only a chapter in Kansas right now, and we'll be 40 years old next year.
Oh my gosh.
And we actually have support members for men, children, and everything. We're more of a family type of group. But
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And then tell us about your bike. This is it. Well, tell me your name first. Yeah.
My name is Sheila Cunningham. My bike is the new Indian Pursuit that they have out, and it's a liquid coolant. And so this is their first bikes that they came out with, the 25. Yes, my green Virtue Princess.
Oh my gosh.
another Indian.
She's got another. Okay, now what's it like to ride a motorcycle? I mean, it seems to be, for women always thought, oh, that's a man's thing, but no.
Oh no, I call it my wind therapy. It is my wind therapy. After work, after dealing with the stresses, I get on my bike and I take a ride. And my therapy, me and God, and that's it. The wind. But it's just awesome that I see so many women getting on bikes. We get together, just a fellowship and ride and
Oh.
enjoy it.
And why do you like to come to a show?
To meet different people. You know, we are all wanting to different wheels here and gorgeous cars, and I see that bike down there, and it's just the fellowship together, the friendships, the stories of why people got started.
Yeah.
And so it's amazing.
Oh, I love it. Now you.
Empowering women.
Oh yeah, empowering women. Don't forget that. Okay, now this you have a wonderful paint job on yours. Please explain.
Yes. Well, that was my dream bike.
Yeah.
And I've gone to Indian Bike Week a few times, and there's a really good artist that used to go. And I've been wanting to get that on there for a long time, and I made the decision that bike is never going to go anywhere, so I'm spending the money. And so that was the two things I've been wanting to get on that bike. So
Okay.
it's, there's still a couple things I still want to get painted on, but it's a work in progress with everything.
What do you love about riding?
Same thing. It's just relaxing. You've had a bad day, or you just need to get out just a little bit, and you just go. And sometimes it's just you go. You don't have a plan. You just go. I discover roads that I've never been on, places. It's just relaxing, and it's nice in the country. Get out of the city, off the highway.
The epitome. These ladies, women on wheels.
That's it. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Nice
you.
shoes.
Oh,